Now we move on to derive two important results, that is the sum and product of slopes of the lines in a pair of lines. Okay. Now for this let us consider the equation which we have seen earlier, that is if m1 and m2 are the slopes, then their joint equation can be written as m1 m2 x square minus m1 plus m2 times xy plus y square is equal to 0. But we have also seen that the same pair of lines can also be described by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, isn't it, equal to 0. Now that means we have to match these two equations and see how we can compare the terms. If you observe, there is one minute difference in case of y square, because the coefficient of y square is 1 in the first equation, whereas it is v in the second equation. So therefore if we divide this equation throughout by v, assuming that it's not 0, so therefore we will get a upon b times x square plus into bracket 2h upon b times xy plus y square equal to 0. And now if we compare the first and the last equation, then by equating the corresponding coefficients, we will get the first result as product of the slopes, that is m1 m2, turns out to be equal to a upon b. And if you see the sum of slopes, that is a middle coefficient m1 plus m2, that will be equal to negative of 2h upon b, because here in the first equation the middle sign is minus. So therefore we have m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b. So these are two very important results because they connect the two different forms of equation of the same pair of lines. Right? Now let us go ahead and practice one example based on these formulae. So the find k if slope of one of the lines given by the joint equation kx square plus 4xy minus y square equal to 0 exceeds the slope of the other line by 8. Okay. So what it means is, basically if we consider m to be one slope, then the other slope can be considered as m plus 8 or m minus 8, whichever way we take, the final answer will not differ. Okay. So these are the two slopes. Now what we have seen earlier is sum of slopes is given by minus 2h upon b, correct? Where minus 2h indicates the coefficient of xy term. So here minus 2h is equal to 4. Then b indicates the coefficient of y square term. So therefore b is equal to minus 1. And a indicates the coefficient of x square term. So here a itself is equal to k. So therefore sum of slopes is nothing but m plus 8 is equal to minus 2h, which is 4, and b is minus 1. So therefore we get 2m plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So therefore we get 2m is equal to minus 12. So that gives us m is equal to minus 6. So that means if one slope is minus 6, then the other slope has to be equal to m plus 8. So therefore other slope is equal to minus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 2. Okay. So that means we have got two slopes, minus 6, can call it as now m1, and 2, now we can call it as m2. Okay. Now what is the product of slopes, that is m1 m2, that is given by a upon b. Now in the given example a corresponds to k and b is nothing but minus 1. So that is nothing but minus k. And if you see what is the product of m1 and m2, so that is minus 6 into 2, that is nothing but minus 12. So that means minus k is equal to minus 12. So therefore clearly k has to be equal to 12 itself. Right, so that's the answer.